Where are you? Where could he be? He could be anywhere. Come out. Where are you? What's going on? What? The only light on in this house. What? He's taped up. But how? Was it me? But if it wasn't me, then who was it? Hi there. What? Clone Hammer Foxy? Yes. My old pal Clone Nightmare Freddy was a bad boy. And what do you mean a bad boy? Oh, he just, was bad. So bad, he deserves a scream! What are you gonna do with that knife? Something cool. Are you ready? Yeah. What the heck? It's me, Withered Clubster, out to fight. I'm too strong for you. What do you mean? You know how I'm Withered Clubster? I would like to change that by killing him. What do you mean killing him? It's my job. How? Because now it's mine. But not with my bare hands. I'm not Withered Clubster anymore. I'm Nightmare Clubster! Goodbye, Clone Nightmare Freddy! You think you're so tough? I'm Nightmare Clubster. What? You're taking it out of my hands. Give it back. He fainted. But why did I do that? That was so idiotic. Pain. Pain. Suffer hard. I need to get out of here before he gets back up. My leg! You cut off my beautiful leg. That's right, I did it. I did it in anger. From now on, I don't give up. I don't give up. It's your time. Your time to give up. Goodbye. Ah! Goodbye, Clubster. You're free. No, this can't be the end of me. Can't be. Pull out my organs. Kill me. Ah! Look at me now. Somebody who sees this won't think I'm a wimp. They'll think I'm cool. Oh my god, I don't have organs anymore. I took them all out. Now what do I do? I need them. Now because it's so stupid. Leave. I need help in those. Sorry, Wither. Nightmare Clubster. It's the end of you. No. 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 Goodbye. I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give up. Oh, God. Too much pain. I need to go. I might as well. I'm tired. I might as well, just in case I die in my sleep, sing a song. Hopefully I won't let me. But here's my song. Chicken strips, chicken strips, chicken strips. I can't even sing anymore. I can't even eat chicken strips anymore. My favorite. Chicken strips. I will revenge you, chicken strips. I can't eat you anymore. One of my organs was my stomach. I took out everything except for my lungs. And my heart. And my brain. Good night.